Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get free soundboard on PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your favorite browser, look for voice mod, click on this particular website, the official website, then download for free. So once you have successfully downloaded the application, go ahead, install everything, just go through the prompts next. And once you're done, open it and it will look like this. You just need to first log in or connect your account. It will open a new tab on your browser. The quickest way is just to connect or use your Google account. Now, once you've done that, go back here and you will show this option. Just make sure to select your appropriate microphone and headphone settings. Then once you have confirmed this, click on next and then start using voice mode. Now you have your voice mode. Now you can freely explore everything in here. You will mostly have the paid versions. So for free, you can go to the sound section. You will see a bunch of sounds in here, or you can go to soundboards. You will have your defaults here listed. If you want to add your own sound effects, you can click on add. Then it will reveal the upload option over here. You can click on it and just choose any file you would like to use and add this into your account. And once it has been successfully uploaded, it should now be ready to use. Now, very important if you want to utilize Discord, as you can see, clean microphone, it means that my Discord has been connected to sound mode, or what I mean is voice mode. You can minimize this, open your Discord client, go to settings, all right, and then scroll down until you locate voice and video settings. Now, on the input device, you can click on the drop down and select voice mod. Same for the output device, the voice mod, all right? So once done, you can now close this and everything should now be connected and integrated. You can use this for any platforms for gaming or for any streaming services you would like to utilize this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.